Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby, get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about, can't get enough. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby, get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
Okay, so we're here in Bangkok, and this is kind of cool because there's a whole little workout shop right in here, and this is called Rommaninat Park, and it says fitness facilities and old prison towers. So what we're gonna do is walk in here and kind of take a look at it. And before we even go in, this is the entrance of the park right over there. There's a gate, some kind of cool apartments over there, but we're gonna go in and show you this park. Okay, that was a little preview of Bangkok. No shortage of cool stuff to see. Let's put this up on the map. And one of the things that was interesting about this is I just didn't really expect like free open weights that you could just use in the park, that anybody could just walk into and use. You know, usually pay a lot of money for that. And the machines are really kept really clean. Amazing. So anyways, I created some music that I fed the lyrics into AI, so the lyrics are behind me right here. And I have another Bangkok one I'm gonna upload. I had a problem with my thing, so I had a lot more Bangkok ones, but I only have 3. So you saw one recently with Gun Street, and then this one, and then we're gonna go to Talat Noi. So anyways, stay tuned for the Talat Noi. I'll probably upload it within about 5 days from now, so like, subscribe, and stay tuned for that one. So let's do the walk and talk, where I'm going to walk through the park and narrate and make comments live. All right, Bangkok, baby. Okay, so here's the entrance to it, and I don't know if you need to pay anything or if it's free, but they do have all these weights right here. So my understanding is these are all dumbbells that you can use and just kind of put them on anything in here. It looks like we got all kinds of different types of machines, even barbells, all kinds of cool stuff. Huh. Didn't know this was here. I didn't know they had something like this. So yeah, you even have all these too, right? So you can, and there's even towels. Huh, kind of cool. So let's just kind of breeze through here real quick. Yeah, amazing. I didn't know they had this. So you even have a barbell tower here too. Let's kind of see. Huh. It's like clean, really, really clean. Okay. Should probably do some of these and try it out. So let's walk on out and then we're going to, oh, they got recycles. So we're going to just kind of check out this whole park in a moment. Yeah, this is actually amazing. So I think this is all free. So it's basically its own little workshop right in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to walk out of here and we're going to explore the rest of the park. But that's really amazing. They even have mirrors and everything in there. So let's walk into the park a little bit. More exercise equipment. We got chairs, tables. Got kind of everything in here. Great place to work out. Okay. Looks like there's also a skate park over here too. Let me just kind of walk over here real quick. And you got some chests. This park kind of has everything. It's kind of amazing. So let's come on up here and take a look. Oh yeah. Looks like it is a skate. Huh. So a little taste of Bangkok here. This was very new to me. I hadn't heard of this. And actually what we're going to be doing today, that path is blocked. We're just kind of showing you what it all looks like. And the next video, dang. Some strong calisthenics there. So we're going to be walking down that way in a moment, but I'm just going to check out some more of these equipment. Huh. A lot of these I don't even know what they are. But I guess I'll have some explanation. And I guess what I'm kind of learning is do a lot of different training here. And then here's one with barbells as well. Amazing. So you could actually practice. Huh. I never heard of this park before, so it's kind of a first for me to know about it. I think this is kind of what that guy is doing right there. So he's doing some crunches right there. So I guess what he did is he put his foot here. Okay. And then he just does, okay. I got it. Oh, okay. I'm gonna do a few of these. I wanted to do a whole little rep of those. There's even some. It's kind of amazing. I didn't know that this was here. A lot of this I don't even know how you would use it exactly. This one looks like a balancing beam, but I don't know. It looks like people step on it, but without really knowing. I don't know if this is the proper way to use this or not, so I better be careful. Huh. And then these guys are doing like the shuttlecock thing. So I guess we'll be walking by that as well. And it also tells you how to do it. So I guess different different development. Huh. So they're basically push-ups, and those guys are doing that over there. So I'm gonna try to do this for a second. So I just did my 10 on that one, and this one is doing some shuttlecock stuff too. So it's cool. Pretty good. Oh. Wow. They kept that going for quite a while. Okay, so I'm gonna go. Man, it's amazing. You can kind of really stay fit, and it's free just walking to the park. There's the King of Thailand right there. Love Thailand. If you love Thailand, then you love the king, because that's part of what makes it what it is. Okay, so this is a little taste of this park right here, and it's really cool. Okay, there's somebody doing Tai Chi over there too. Let's end it for here. Slice of Bangkok for you. Okay, some nice energy here. Formerly a prison dating to, okay. So that's the story about it.
Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Bangkok, baby.